Hello friends, today we're making a really healthy and delicious smoothie. It has helped me clear my acne and it's great for your skin. To get started, you will need 2 cucumber chunks, half cup of blueberries, half an apple, beetroot chunks, 1 cup spinach, 1 banana, and half a teaspoon of chia seeds. Place all of your items into the blender. Once all the ingredients are in, then you want to add 1 cup of cold water. A special note that we're using the Vitamix blender because it doesn't leave any chunks in your smoothie. Blend on high speed. Once the smoothie is ready, pour into a glass and enjoy. Subscribe using the button below to be notified whenever we upload new recipes. Thank you.